Hey there, Mark Zalmanoff here at Mark Z Fitness with my fellow fitness professional.
My name is Dustin, and I am the demonstrator.
He's going to demo everyone's favorite move to talk about, burpees. I really don't know why people hate burpees so much. Although I know I'm kind of low to the ground, so for me to get down on the ground and get back up isn't quite the experience as someone of Dustin's stature.
Yeah, so it's a full body exercise, which is awesome, and I truly enjoy. Me personally, I would prefer more like, we could maybe start up here and stay at this level, but he says burpees, that's what we're going to show you.
That's what we're going to show you, and really, burpees are great because you can do them anywhere. It's a great cardio move. As he mentioned, it's a great full body move, and if you're ever pressed for time, you got 5 minutes and you need to get a workout in, just do 5 minutes of burpees, you'll be good to go. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you 3 different versions of this. We're going to show you the regular version of a burpee first, and then a couple of modifications should you need them. So number 1, just a regular burpee. All we're going to do is hit the deck, whole body goes to the ground, jump in, hands up at the top. Full extension up at the top. Super simple, in theory.
Very easy for him right now.
Yeah, very easy for me to say because he's doing them. So again, there's different versions of burpees, but our version of burpees is going all the way to the ground, chest is on the floor, and then you pop up. The second version we're going to do, I'm just going to call it a modified burpee or a squat thrust. So we're going to jump out, but not go to the ground at the bottom. If you have issues with your strength in your upper body, this is going to be a great modification for the burpee itself. And most people are going to have the ability and the mobility to be able to jump back in that manner and not have to go all the way to the ground and still be able to get back up. The third version of this, and this is something that we use in the gym when people have knee issues or sometimes mobility issues as well, is we're just going to walk the burpee out. So your hands are on the ground, you just walk your feet out and then walk it back in. You can still do the little jump at the top. So again, this is removing some of the impact of the movement itself. It allows you to slow it down a little bit, keep it under control. And it's a great way to kind of learn the move, to get your body in the position that you need to get it in to eventually perform burpees the way they're meant to be. And it's still highly effective.
Yeah, for me, the best part about fitness is for being able for everybody to do it. And us focusing on functional fitness where everybody can do it, having progressions like this. We have 70-year-old clients, we have 72-year-old clients, we have 18-year-old clients. And so being able to go in that array in one day with one exercise is key for us, and it's key for you to get to your elite fitness too.
So use the one that's most appropriate for you. As always, if you have questions about any of this, drop them in the comments, hit us up, and let us know. And thanks for tuning in.
Thanks, guys.